Do not put these in the microwave. Shut up! Okay, guess what? Guess what? They're spooning! Oh, so cute! Okay. I'm a little crazy, don't mind me. ADHD morning for me. Okay. Spoon! Bowl. I got a hat! Oh my gosh, I got a hat! Okay, I gotta stop. Oh my gosh. Christ, that hurt. Anyways, focus on me. Thank you. Now I gotta turn you back this way. Is this even where they go? Hold up. Nah, I'm tripping. I'm legit tripping. Guess what? Pinky finger, SpongeBob! Pinky finger! Alright, where the hell does this go? There we go. Pan. This is for you, my pansexuals. Have a pan. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Yeah. There's a single cup left. I'm not done yet. Want some alcohol? Want some whiskey? That's too dang bad. You can't drink at my house when it was age. I hope you enjoyed my suffering for around like 3 minutes and I don't know how many seconds. Goodbye.